Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Okay? Time check, it's 4:45 at ang call time namin is 5 a.m. Excited mga kasama ko. Di ba excited? Di ba kayo excited?
Excited.
Excited ka ba?
Excited.
Ako, tulog na. Anyway, mag-prepare muna kami. Kasi gusto namin mag-prepare. Kasi mag-prepare pa kami. Kaya nga, mag-prepare kami. Para ma-prepare. Sige na, bye-bye. Alright. So, ito ang view namin. So, nandito kami sa third floor. Nag-stay kami tatlo ng kasama ko sa mga team bros. Mababa muna kami. And yeah, papatingin ko sa inyo ang dagat. High tide ngayon eh. Watch. Watch this. Wow! Oh, ito ang view namin. Ganda. Grabe. Tapos ng... Uy! Ganda. 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 So, ang ano namin for today is 5 a.m. ang meet up namin. Tapos 5:30 mag-briefing muna kami. Tapos 6 a.m. plano, alis na agad kami sa spot namin. So grabe, ganda. Woo! Anyway, yeah. Sana manalo din tayo para surprise natin mga loved ones natin. Alright? So yeah. Okay, kape muna tayo. Bread. Century tuna.
Ako sa video yan.
Kuha sa video ah. Next. Cheers. Third. Yeah. Alright, so nandito na kami sa Burungan City proper. So, ito ang mga anglers ng Tacloban. Ano kami? We are divided into 4 teams, A to D. Tapos ako at kasama ko si Boss Ruben, Master Ruben. Team D. So, naghihintay kami sa go signal. Tapos, session na kami. Bye! Alright, tapos na ang meeting. So, everybody say hi to the vlog for me.
Hello. Hi.
So,
Shoutout sa mga taga-Tacloban.
alright, so ang ano,
Dito na kami.
ito kasama ko mga Team C at Team D. Papunta kami ngayon sa... Saan tayo papunta ngayon?
Sa dagat.
Sa dagat, alright. So, punta kami sa spot namin sa Team C at Team D. Tapos hanggang 11:30,
Niligo kami maghapon.
niligo kami sa hapon. Punta kami dito, balik kami dito para mag-switch ng spot sa Team A at Team B. Alright, we'll see you over there. Okay, nandito na kami sa spot. Pero umuulan. So, prepare pa mga iba. Set up pa sila. Tapos lakad kami dun sa spot namin. So yeah. Alright, on to our first journey. Grabe, ang hirap ng spot namin. Aray ka. Diyan ka muna mga gamit natin. Let's move forward para hindi tayo ma-stress. Perfect. Sige. Try natin. Dami nila oh. Alright, first cuts. Okay, it's been more than 20 minutes. Zero pa rin mga tao dito. Wala pang nakakahuli, nakakapagod. So, I think until 11 pa kami dito. Wala na ibang spot. The spot here is mangroves. Pero, walang strike. Nakakapagod. Ang hirap ng bato. Lesson learned. Don't buy cheap Crocs. They're too soft. Grabe. First scotch. Checkered snapper. Nagpa-assist lang muna ako kasi ang tuhugan ko DIY. Ayaw mo? Tatapon ko to. Ay, huwag kang gagalaw bigla. Say, agay. Ay, thank you Lord, nakaisa din. Lord, isa pa, please. Ano ang ano mo?
Sarig.
Relax lang muna. Ay, umuulan pa. Mainit pa. Nagkasala mga duwende. This is my pet. Hello, Peri Petty. You're mine. Minimum sa ano tournament is 6 inch. 6 inch is the minimum. So this guy is good. Hey, you guys wanna see the water? I'm gonna show you. Oh shit! Okay. Alright, so time check is 39:50. I have like about an hour left. Balik muna ako dun sa shore kasi naputol ang leader ko. Nag-change ako ng micro jig. 3 casts tapos na okay. Tapos naputol agad ang leader. So we're gonna switch leader and then see if kung may jig pa ba ako. Sana meron. At ayun, nawala ang checkered snapper ko. Ay nako. Pa-entry na sana yun eh. Pero hindi na lang. Oh well. Lakas ng hangin. Oh well. Alright, so since malakas ang ulan at ang hangin, babalik na mga kasama ko. Right. Alright, sun is out. So we'll try to micro jig again since I have another extra micro jig from Lazada for free. Alright. I can't believe I lost my checkered snapper. But it's okay. It's meant to be. It's meant to be. Gusto bumalik sa dagat, wala tayong magawa. Diba ka nandito lang, diba? Hirap eh. The ocean's too big. Oh well. Let's go! At nakita ulit siya! Hindi ko alam anong gagawin ito. Alright! Sige, let's do some micro jigging! Rainbow color, 15 grams. Hopefully, may mahuli. Let's go! Alright, fish on. Second fish. Lapu-lapu! Ay? Hindi pwede? Hindi pwede. You're too small. I bring you back. Okay? You relax, I bring you back. Okay, since na donate ang lure ko, balik na lang muna ako, pahinga muna para round 2 mamaya. Tapos we'll be using a heavy setup. Alright. Ayun, bumalik na kami dito sa meeting place namin. At kain muna kami. Manok, rice. Cheers. Okay, so we're done eating, having our lunch. Now we're here in the second spot, which is for Mamao spot or big fish spot, and I'll show you the view. So we'll be going there in that island, and the other people who's gonna be light casting is gonna be there. Hopefully everything will be good. Some people are already walking there. Oh well. Just lang. Alright, so we're gonna be riding a bangka. 10 pesos only. We'll be crossing over the sandbar. So my setup will be per 1,000 H Bullzen Gamer 3.0. Then my rod will be Pioneer Ulua Light ML. And my line will be 15 pounds C-Night. Also my lead line will be Casking 30 pounds. Then my lure will be 30 grams jig from I'll try to send the link here on top. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So this is the view. Not yet, not yet. See to the horizon. Woo! Grabe. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Oh. Wait, let me try it here. I'll be back. Okay, here. Look. Wow. So for us, let's see. Drag check. Nope. 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 Yep. Oh damn, that's scary. Okay, so let's try to micro jig here. I'm not sure makakuha pa or something, pero let's just try. Let's try deep dive. Deep dive, forgot how many grams. Pero what? And let there be rain. Walang titigil hanggang walang makakakuha. Ay 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 ay. Joke lang. Right. Kulang ba kayo ng energy? Uminom kayo ng Energen. Basura lang. Kagat naman kayo, Lord. Sige na, Lord. So, experience ko balik kong dako, please. Alright, so it's time na. 33 PM and I think the contest is done. So we'll be going back now. And yeah, no one caught anything here. And people said that there are big fishes here. Maybe just not the right time, not the right tide. It's okay. Anyway, let's go. Okay, so nandito na kami sa meeting place. Musta experience?
Exhausted but exciting. May thrill.
Anong trail?
Yung
1, 2, thrill?
Kinikilig. Yun.
Yeah. So yun, nakakapagod din ang spot namin. Mostly yung na zero. So yeah, tingnan namin sino ang nanalo kasi ano na, awarding na. Alright?
Ang second place, nakakadakopin 170 grams. Aw, ang pangaraw ini. Pangaraw for the win ni Mr. Derek from Tacloban City.
So, sadly na namatay ang GoPro ko. But, yeah. Yun ang tournament namin. So, everybody enjoyed. At mga champions, mga first place, second place. Thank you. At sa lahat na nagsuporta sa akin dito, thank you very strong. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed my fishing vlog. Or fishing tournament vlog. So, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, follow, share, but don't report. Bye!